sent my friends to trigger. You insult my honor. I believe you have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipment. And that is where you come in. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You bucket my mind for a friend. Yes. As I agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get off the buckets. Well, no, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your life. Welcome, my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Yes, just kidding. Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent. You will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
Right this way, pilots in the front, gunners in the middle, engineers in the back.
Seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Is that really daunting?
Consoles and choose between manual and automatic targeting. Engineers, give me a check on the safety restraints. Engineers, activate your consoles. Alrighty, may the force be with us. Let's make some credits.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come up. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, there could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I have coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance resistance as what they need. Maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Just get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my honest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is. Oh, that was rough. Time for you to go. And don't worry,
it's the same every
payment
time.
is on the way.
It's the same?
Trust me.
Yeah. Remain 900.